Another proof of concept is a documentation readiness check. The idea is to define what source information should be available before work is handed to the writing team. Not every feature needs the same evidence, so the standard has to distinguish between information that is always required and information that depends on the change type. An AI-assisted readiness check can assess the available source material against those categories. It can then produce a status such as red, amber or green with the reasons visible. It gives the developers an understanding as to why the documentation they provided is incomplete. It also creates data for managers. If the same teams repeatedly hand over work with missing permissions or unclear user goals, that problem becomes visible, and it can be improved as a process rather than treated as individual friction between one writer and a developer. And this is where governance matters. Governance doesn't have to mean a committee, a long form, or a workflow that everyone learns to avoid. In this context, governance means agreeing what evidence is needed before a feature is ready for documentation, where that evidence should come from, and who is responsible for closing the gaps. Without that type of agreement, every handover becomes a negotiation. The result is often inconsistent handover quality. A documentation readiness standard, a definition of done, can make the expectation visible. It can also give product and engineering teams a clearer target.